Proby Shandolia, and today I'm going to inform you about matter, mixtures, atoms, and elements. Matter is anything that has volume and mass. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Also, weight is how strongly gravity pushes on an object. Volume, mass, and weight are all properties of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Particles in solids stay tightly together and the shape stays the same. In liquids, particles move more than they do in solids, and the shape depends on its container. In gases, particles move the most, and the shape again depends on its container. A phase change occurs when the state of matter changes. A change from solid to liquid is the melting point. When liquid changes to a gas, a boiling point occurs. A freezing point happens when a liquid turns into a solid. Sublimation is the transition from solid to gas. An element is a substance that cannot be further simplified. Elements are made up of atoms. Atoms are the smallest particles which have the properties of an element. Elements are named from various sources. Some named after founder, some named after the location it was founded in. There are 92 elements on Earth. Astonishingly, only 8 elements make up Earth's crust: oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Oxygen and hydrogen make up 96% of the ocean. Chlorine and sodium make up the other 4%. On Earth's atmosphere, nitrogen and oxygen make up 99%, and argon makes up the remaining 1%. Protons, neutrons, and electrons form atoms. Protons and neutrons are in the nucleus of the atom, and electrons are on the outside. Each atom has an atomic number, which is the number of protons in an atom, and the atomic weight, the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. A molecule is a particle which contains more than one atom joined together. In the 1800s, Dmitri Mendeleev organized elements in order of increasing mass. Then, he discovered that the properties of the elements repeat themselves in cycles. So he created the periodic table, which arranges all known elements in a chart of rows and columns of increasing atomic number. A mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances that do not form new substances. There are two types of mixtures. Heterogeneous mixture has particles big enough to see. A homogeneous mixture has particles that we can't see and is a liquid. A suspension is a mixture which separates after a few hours. A solution is a mixture which has two parts: the solute and the solvent. The solvent is a liquid which dissolves the small atom-sized particles called solute. I hope you learned about atoms, mixtures, elements, and matter today. This is Proby signing off.